double time, because miss no bad.
And just relax.
Just relax, and faster. Proper disassembly.
Assembly.
Proper assembly. And this the bit na
And I will
Take
show to you to how to assembly